Samsung phones can fail from a broken screen, battery, water damage, or system crash, making it hard to access photos, contacts, and messages. In this video, we'll show 5 effective ways to recover data from a Samsung phone that won't turn on. Number 1. Recover data from Samsung phone that won't turn on with a high success rate. Requirements: a Windows or Mac computer with broken Android data extraction installed. USB cable. Samsung Galaxy phone USB debugging enabled, if possible via recovery. Main features: recover data from broken Samsung screens, access files from internal storage and SD cards, restore contacts, SMS, photos, videos, WhatsApp, and more. Fix frozen, crashed, or locked screens. Works with most Galaxy S, Note, and Tab devices. Safe, easy, and reliable recovery. How to use: install the software on your computer, connect your Samsung via USB, open broken Android data extraction and click Start. Select device name and model, agree, and confirm. Follow instructions to enter download mode. Click Start to scan, preview files, then click Recover to save. Number 2. Recover data from a dead, powerless Samsung by replacing the battery. Requirements: compatible replacement battery, plastic prying tools, screwdriver if needed, safe workspace, computer or power source to test. How to replace: get a battery that fits your Samsung model, power off the phone and remove the back cover, replace the old battery with the new one, reattach the cover and power on to test. Number 3. Recover data from Galaxy phone that won't turn on using SD card. Requirements: SD card with enough storage, SD card reader or computer with SD slot. Optional, another device or backup software. How to use: remove the SD card from your Samsung, insert it into a working device or computer, access and transfer files to a safe location, backup important data before further repairs. Number 4. Recover data from Samsung that won't turn on via USB keyboard mouse. Requirements: USB OTG adapter, USB keyboard or mouse, charged or working Galaxy phone, configured settings to navigate via keyboard or mouse. How to use: charge or replace the battery if needed, connect a keyboard or mouse via OTG adapter, power on the phone and use the keyboard or mouse to unlock and navigate, transfer and backup data to cloud or external storage. Number 5. Recover files from Samsung phone that won't turn on via TV screen or PC monitor. Requirements: TV or monitor with HDMI input, HDMI cable or USB-C, HDMI adapter. Samsung DeX supported phone screen can be damaged but must power on. Optional, HDMI to USB adapter for keyboard or mouse interaction. How to use: connect a USB-C to HDMI adapter to your phone, plug an HDMI cable from the adapter to the TV or monitor, use Samsung DeX or screen mirroring to navigate.